For the remainder of section 2, we're going to talk about exterior angles. Okay. They are formed by one side of a triangle and the extension of an adjacent side. Okay, so here we extended side AB, and then BC is adjacent to it. So this angle 4 here, that is an exterior angle of this triangle. All right. Now, each exterior angle of a triangle has two remote interior angles. Okay, and they are the two angles that are not adjacent to that exterior angle. Okay, they are the angles that don't create a linear pair. So angle 2 creates a linear pair with angle 4, but angle 1 is a remote interior angle and angle 3 is a remote interior angle. Okay. Now, the exterior angle theorem tells us that the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put a 3 and a 4 in here. A, I said it's 4, and B, I said it's 3. Okay, so we know that the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. So we know that from earlier in this section. Okay. Now angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair, which means that they are also supplementary by that linear pair postulate. Okay, so we also know that the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 2 is 180 degrees. Okay, so I can take these, since we've got these both equal to 180 degrees, I can substitute and set these two expressions equal to each other. Okay. All right, and then you notice the left and the right both have a measure of angle 2. So by subtraction, we've got the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4. So those two, the sum of those two remote interior angles is equal to the measure of angle 1, or that exterior angle. Okay, so a couple examples here. Tanya mounts the shelving bracket shown to the wall of her closet. What is the measure of angle 1 right here? So that's an exterior angle. It's the angle that the brackets make with the wall. Okay, so what we just proved up here is that the measure of angle 1, that exterior angle, is the sum of the two remote interior angles. So all we need to do is add 90 and 40 to get 130 degrees. Okay. Example 2, we've got an exterior angle, and so that 2x minus 15 is going to equal the sum of the two remote interior angles here. If we add 15 to both sides and subtract an x, we get our x value of 65. Okay, but we don't want just our x value, we want the measure of angle JKL. So we substitute 65 in for x. 2 times 65 is 130. And 130 minus 15 is 115 degrees.